said it. I said it in my shirt. All right, come on. Get this big fucker in here. Yeah, I was talking to Chris, said when he's reading about that 300-pound one, his dude took 6 hours to reel it in. Which I believe. Oh, yo, calm down there, big guy. Or girl. I think you're a papa. Oh, dude. You see that motherfucker?
Yeah.
Yo.
I missed him, guys. I missed him.
No, hold on. I'll bring him back up. Hold on.
Holy fuck.
That is huge, bro. Got him?
Got him.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
Hell yeah, dude. Hold on.
that's a fucking catfish.
Woo. Look at that bitch. Oh, bro.
Hit him with the gripper.
Oh yeah. Hold the fuck up. 9 pounds. That's my personal best right there, buddy.
Yeah, I'll let it flip that around.
Huh?
It's crappy when his tail was fucking kicked up.
Here, that better? Yeah. Sweet. All right, little guy. Ooh, we'd probably measure it real quick. Hold on, dude. I'm trying to hurry. Get you in the fucking water, bro. From tail, 26 inches. Right?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
26 incher.
That's awesome. All right, my friend. Back to the water you go. Awesome. Oh, fucking awesome, bud.
Good shit, dog.
Fuck yeah. Caught that motherfucker.
Think that's the same big one?
I think so. Sure fought like it. Oh. Hell yeah. Here's that pipe.
Celebratory pipe. Fire the fucker up. Oh, it's still fucking going, huh?
Yeah. Punky in this motherfucker. What's going on? What? It works. No shit. It's still rolling.